Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to return items from AliExpress. Open AliExpress on your device and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to My Orders right here. Now we want to find order that you want to return and tap on it to open its details, and there should be button Returns and Refunds. So now your page should look like this. First of all, answer a few questions, and the first question is, did you receive your item? And press yes option. Next question, do you want to return your item? And you should select yes option as well. Then you have to provide a reason, basically why do you request your return. So tap this arrow right here and you will see a list of options, list of reasons. So you just simply need to pick one reason that best describes your situation. Tap continue button, and now in this line you should enter refund amount. Of course, if you want to have your refund, then enter it in this line. Tap continue button, and then you have to confirm your return method. So there are two methods available, and first one is AliExpress free return service, and second one is self drop off. So think about it and decide for yourself which one works out for you better, and simply tap it to select. Tap next button, tap continue button, and here in this box you can additionally provide more information about your problem. So in a few sentences you can describe your issue more like in details, so that seller fully understands your situation, and that means that you have higher chances to get your request approved by the seller. And then you have to upload photos, videos or screenshots as a proof. And of course, in the very end, do not forget to submit your request. Usually requests take a few business days to be processed, so you should wait a little bit. And basically after your request is approved, make sure that you have your return label. And to find it, you need to go to My Orders section and open order that you want to return. Tap on it to open its details and go to Dispute page. And there you should see basically your free return label. It's very important because without it, you will not be able simply to return your item back. And actually you have a deadline of 5 days to get your return label, and if you miss this deadline, your dispute will be closed, and you won't be able to reopen your dispute. So download that label and print it out, and basically carefully pack your parcel and stick your return label to it. And after you receive your label, you have 15 days to give your parcel at a nearest post office. And after you send your package, just wait until your package will be delivered to your seller. So that were the main points on how to return item from AliExpress, but if you still have some questions, I will show you now how to open some additional instructions. So at your home page, open whatever item, some random item, then scroll down to section free returns within 19 days, then press Learn More button, scroll down to section free returns, and this is it. So here you see step-by-step instruction with photos and also some additional information about returns as well as refunds. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.